Qwen 3.5, the famous open source model from Alibaba, was fine-tuned by Jack Ronk on Claude's reasoning patterns. Let me show you what that actually means. Qwen 3.5 V2 was fine-tuned using 14,000 reasoning samples. Most of these are distilled from Claude Opus 4.6 reasoning traces, but there's some Claude Opus 4.5 data and a custom Qwen reasoning also being used. This technique is called reasoning distillation. So what happens here is you take a bigger model, you see how the bigger model thinks step by step, and then you train a smaller model with the same exact pattern. As you can see in the V2 update, there has been 24% reduction in chain of thought length. What that means is the reasoning is shorter. And when we talk about accuracy on HumanEval, which is a coding benchmark, it stayed the same. So it matches the base Qwen 3.527B score. So what that means is the distillation didn't hurt accuracy at all, and it just made reasoning more efficient with 31.6% more correct solutions per token. Let's run it with Ollama. This is the only command that we will use. As you see here, I'm pulling the V4, which is the quantized version for 4-bit. That is approximately around 16 GBs. And if you have more RAM, you can go for Q8 for better quality. You know the best thing? This is also a vision model. It inherits the multimodal capabilities from Qwen 3.5 base, so it can process images as well. Now let's be real and talk about the limitations. So as the numbers that we saw earlier were from HumanEval and HumanEval Plus, which are coding benchmarks, the model has not been independently tested for math or logic, even though the training data covers it. And the creator is upfront about all of it. This is a test version focusing on testing and research. It can underperform on longer context or tasks that are complex and requires multiple steps. So do keep that in mind while using these models. In case you are wondering whether you should try this or not, I'll give you a couple of great reasons that will convince you. The first is this model is free, so there is no API cost, there is no tokens associated to it. The second is, of course, the privacy. If you want your data to be private and local to you, then do try this out. And the whole concept of distillation reasoning is super interesting. I really like how these models in the open source space are thinking towards making these models think shorter and smarter instead of longer. So really exciting times to be experimenting with the local LLMs. I'll drop the link to the model in the description. Do check it out. Go and run it yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. If you want more such videos, subscribe to my channel.